We'll guide you through how to repair tractors in Farming Simulator 25. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, over time and the more you use them, tractors go and fall into disrepair. You can go and see the current repair level in the bottom right here. You'll go and see that blue line. The first way we'll be covering is simply by coming to the vehicle shop and the vehicle dealer. So if you go and open up the map like so, you can go and locate the vehicle shop. And there's going to be a repair spot here. So you're going to go and see a square which looks like this, and you'll go and see a little spanner or wrench icon. That is the icon you need to go to. So go and put the tractor in the box, then go to the icon, and you can go and press R on it like so, and we can go and see how much it's going to cost to repair at the bottom. You can also repaint if you want, and we can then go and repair it like so, and it will now be at 100. The second way is by having your own workshop. So you can open up the shop by pressing P in this case, clicking the three lines at the bottom, clicking on construction, and you can come to the top option here and let's switch across to tools, and you can go and locate vehicle workshop. And you can then go and place this on land you own, and you can then go and repair it there. So you don't have to come to the dealer every time. If you found this useful, then leave a like.